Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Sankalp Dyal, a final year student of computer science, and I usually make coding videos and placement related videos so that you can do good in your interviews. And without wasting any time, let's get started. Hello everyone, so this is the last video for this week, that is dynamic programming, and this question is similar to the coin change problem that you must have heard. So the question is minimum cost for tickets, and we are given some a number of days, and we are given the cost for 1 day, 1 week, and a 1 month pass. So if we consider the first example, we are given these days that we need to travel, and we are given a cost for 1 day pass, that is 2, and 7 is for 1 week pass, and cost is 15 for a 1 month pass, and we need to return the minimum cost using which we can visit or we can travel all these given days. So in this, if we can uh, if we read the example explanation, so here we can see that for day 1 we need a 1 day pass, and for day 3 we need a 7 day pass, so it will cover 4, 6, 7, and 8, and then again for day 20 we need a 1 day pass, so the total cost will be 2 plus 7 plus 2, that is 11. So similar is the second example. So in this, what we can do is we can create a DP array, and we can store the cost of traveling at this given point of time. So DP of I will be storing the cost of travel up to I days. So if we are using a 1 day pass, so DP of I will be DP of I minus 1 plus the current cost, that is cost of 0. If we are using a 7 day pass, so this dp of I will be dp of I minus 7 plus cost of 1, and dp of I will be dp of I minus 30 plus cost of 2. So this is for 1 day pass, this is for 7 day pass, and this is for 1 month pass. So using this formulas we can try to calculate the cost at all the days, all the given days. So in this, for this case we will be taking the maximum of 0 or I minus 7. So this is the maximum of this, because for example if we have 2 days and the cost of 1 week pass is less than the cost of 1 day pass, so instead of buying 1 day pass we will buy 1 week pass. So same is the case with this, and in this 30-day pass also we can do the same thing. Now what we'll do is we will calculate dp of I for 1 day pass like every time, and then for the other we will take the minimum, that is dp of I will be minimum of this dp of I or this another value, and for the 1 month pass also we can do the same thing. So this is the minimum of dp of I and the cost that we have calculated. So in this way we can solve this question. So first we will take the last day that we have in the given days, so it will be the length of the last value of this array, so days dot length minus 1. So this is the last day. For example, in the first example it is 20, so this last day will contain 20. Now we will take some value as n, so it is the total number of up to 1 plus this last date, so that we can create arrays using this n. Now we will create an dp array to store the values, and we will have a boolean array to store if we have to travel this particular day or not. So it will be boolean of the boolean array and name it as bool is equal to new boolean, and the size will be n. And then we will like the default value is false in case of boolean, so we will make them true like for the days that we have to travel. So for int d in days, we will change the value, that is bool of d will become true. And now we can use this dp to fill the values. So I will start from 1 and up to n I plus plus, and in this if we have to visit the current day, if we have to visit the current day, we will calculate the values here, and else if we don't need to visit the day, we can take the value of the previous day. So this bool of I will be equal to bool of I minus 1, and if we are going to visit this current day, so we can use these formulas. Now this dp of I will be storing the values at like for every day, and then we can check if we have if we can reduce the cost if we are using a 7-day pass or a 30-day pass. Okay, so now we will have filled all the values in this, and now we can finally return the last value of this dp, that is n minus 1, or we can also take as last day. Okay, it is I. Okay, it is dp of I is equal to dp of I minus 1. Okay, and now it is accepted. Now for the time and space complexity for this question, if we try to see the time complexity, here we have constants like linear like constant time operations, and here we have one for loop that is for days, number of days, and we have another for loop that is from 1 to n, and n is the last day. So it is linear time, and this last day can be up to 365 as it was given in the question. Now the overall time complexity will be constant if we take it as 365, but if we take this value as like up to any number, like up to some n, so then it will be big O of n. And same is the case with the space, because here we are creating a dp array of size n and a boolean array of size n, so for this space also it will be linear. So that's all for this question, and you can like the video, comment, share and subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubts or any questions that you are not able to solve, or you have any doubts in this video, you can post them in the comment section below. And if we are not able to solve this question, then we can also check the solution. So in this also we can see that they are using dp, and like both of them are a linear time. and here they have considered total number of days instead of this n. And if we see the discussion section, then we can open some of the top links. So I have opened 5 links here. So the first one is using DP. So in this also they have used the first method as taking all the 366 days, 365 days, and the other method is using a, like they are considering only the top n, like first n, the number of travel days. So if we see another solution, so this is also taking 365 days, and then here it is also taking the total number of, like the maximum number of days. And now here we have a solution that is like explained in detail. So if we are not able to understand this question or from the solution also, then we can read this post to get a better idea. And then we have this Python solution. So if we are like, if we try to do it in Python and we are not able to do it, then we can use this solution. So that's all for this video, and thank you for watching, and do subscribe the channel for more videos. And tomorrow I'll be uploading the interview experience for my PayPal for the PayPal company that I gave last month. And in the upcoming like days and weeks, I'll be uploading more such videos. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.